married in a week.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Boy, the cards are going to come to us.
I know. That's why I'm trying to do this as much as I can until next week. So.
We're here. We got Taiwan out there signing. There's a line, guys. There he is, getting pictures. And then we got all our regulars out here. And Dalton's going with a gold mine. Oh, yeah, it's already approved. It just takes a minute, buddy. All right. There you go, man. Good luck.
Right, thanks, man.
If this product is bad, you can talk to the president.
The president of the product. You got a cutter in there.
Good luck, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Hey, Robbie. Gold mine.
Gold mine action.
That I made, yeah, that we made here at the store. There you go. Good luck, man.
Oh, it's is it top one, top from bottom?
That's the lowest hit, I think.
Lowest hit.
The first one. Yeah, that's the lowest hit.
Michael Thomas, 49.
Yep. 3-color patch.
Oh, there's a big card in here.
Oh, good.
It's the middle card though. So.
Oh, it's the middle card?
Yeah.
All right, pull it out.
Big.
Witten jersey.
Witten jersey.
Peyton Manning auto.
Manning auto. Sweet.
So we got a Manning auto. And a Witten. What's the Witten number to, buddy?
Witten is numbered to 199.
So the Witten's to 199.
49 Michael Thomas.
And then let me show the Manning too, buddy.
Manning is sick.
I know, on card too. That's a bit different than the one with the stickers.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And see, that's just a